By knitting 2 stitches together, we are making a decrease. A decrease is done by knitting 2 stitches together at the same time as if it was 1 stitch. This decrease is used to create the netted stitch, shape sleeves, etc. When you want to knit 2 together, introduce the right hand needle through 2 stitches. Wrap the strand around the needle and knit the stitch as usual. By using this decrease, the edge of the project will incline to the right, and you will have 1 less stitch on your needle. The wrong side row is worked as usual. In this case, as we are working the stockinette stitch, purl all stitches. Turn around the project and knit the row until there are 2 stitches left. Introduce the needle through 2 stitches at the same time and knit those stitches together. Repeat this every time you need to make a decrease.